Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how you can turn off camera shutter sound. So you have to go for the camera, tap on the right upper corner, move to the settings, and the shutter sound we can find right here. So right now when you take a photo, you can hear this characteristic sound. Okay, I just mute. Wait a minute. I just mute the media sound probably. Let's try another time. Okay, let's open the settings because I don't know even what is going on here. Okay, it was turned off. Oh, all right. So right now it's available, but if you want to turn it off, and yeah, turn it off, just tap on the switcher, and right now when you take a photo, you cannot hear this sound. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.